We are TJ and B traveling, and we are on a 17-day transatlantic cruise. After our first stop in Canada, we spent 5 whole days at sea before finally arriving in the beautiful country of Iceland. And in this video, we're going to show you our thoughts and experiences from our first day in Reykjavik. We're here today to explore the city of Reykjavik before going and exploring all of the beautiful nature of the rest of Iceland and some more hikes. This is a city tour, so we're going to just walk around and explore. Obviously, we're going to do some BJJ and we're going to see where that takes us. So far, it's very pretty. This is the Rainbow Road of Reykjavik. We were going to try and get a better picture video of us walking through the whole thing, but there's a truck in the middle of the road and on the other side as well. But it is pretty cool. Now, we were told that everyone in the community that wanted to paint this was a part of painting this Rainbow Road to show solidarity, right? Yeah. Even the president, or some, I don't know what the Iceland president is called, but the prime minister or the mayor of Reykjavik, or the mayor of Iceland, one of those people came down to help paint it as well. So, oh yeah, look, another big van going down the Rainbow Road. After exploring the beautiful Rainbow Street and downtown Reykjavik, our next stop was Reykjavik's iconic, you ready for this pronunciation, the Hallgrímskirkja Church, one of the city's most famous landmarks. The unique architecture and design of this place was absolutely breathtaking. We learned that the church was designed to resemble natural formations of Iceland, with its towering spire representing the country's many mountains. The church was designed by Gudjon Samuelsson in 1937 and took 41 years to complete. It stands 244 feet tall and can be seen from nearly anywhere in the city. There was a nominal fee to pay to climb to the top of the church tower and take in the views, but since we had a full schedule and lots of activity to come, we decided against it. And in fact, that activity to come was very next, where we went to train with the Vikings at Molnir MMA. As you'll get to see in a minute, this gym was exceptional. Now, we always enjoy training wherever we travel, but after spending 5 days on the ship without access to train jiu-jitsu, this was really well needed. So we're here at Molnir MMA and just got done with a jiu-jitsu session, of course, because that's what we do. Really good class, really good place, really good atmosphere. I'd like to come back here. B, would you want to come back here?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, this is one of the best gyms we've seen as far as jiu-jitsu and training goes. It's one of the best gyms actually we've seen ever. It's really cool place. So if you're ever in Iceland and into this stuff, check them out. I'll put them in a link. I'll put a link in the description below. Really good level, really friendly people, good vibes, because of course it's jiu-jitsu, we're always going to get good vibes. And now we've got that done, we've got the afternoon to go explore and find a mission to grab a hot chocolate, I think. Our mission continued through Reykjavik, but the next stop after visiting the lake wasn't a hot chocolate, but it was actually to find a hot dog stand, as this was touted as a must-visit place in Reykjavik. What you got here?
We just got 2 different maps from the city. One is actually the map of the city, and the other is a map with the exhibitions things, like museums and things like that.
Which one are we going to take? Just the good map?
Yeah, look.
Alright, now where are we going to go?
We are going to go...
Where?
On stage.
There's also a famous Icelandic movie star that you didn't know was from Iceland. It's The Rock. Amazing.
I know, yeah. Everything is so pretty.
This place is legendary in Reykjavik, but we're not sure if they have vegetarian options, so we're going to see. Shall we?
Fingers crossed.
Let's try. Do you have veggie sauce? No, just the meat one. Okay. Look. Thank you. That's okay.
Bom, 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 bom. We're up.
Ah, that's the first place that we've been to that hasn't got any veg. I mean, it's a tiny hut, so.
But it should.
Maybe next time we come back to Reykjavik. I swear we've been here before. We can't go there if we're gonna film. YouTube will take the video down, so oh well.
This tree is very unique.
Why?
Because it's different. There's a lot of different everything. There's a lot of different cafes. Like look, there's a lot of murals. Everything's so colorful and pretty. It's just nice.
Yeah. The architecture here is very pretty. The reason we're nearly getting knocked down by these scooters is because Reykjavik is full of tourists. Tourism is Iceland's #1 main industry, I believe. It used to be fishing, obviously, back in the day. Now it is almost certainly tourism. This year alone, they're expecting around 2 million people to come and visit. And when you consider the population is actually around, what do we find, 350,000-ish people that live here, 2 million people are going to come visit this year. So that's when you're walking around the city, you know that that's going to be a large percentage of the people going to be tourists, and everything is going to be catered for them. And these motherfuckers are going to be knocking you over with their bloody scooters all the time.
We are at Harpas House, which is a museum. What is it? I don't know what is it. Which I don't know what is inside.
I think it's a cultural center museum thing.
Yeah, we couldn't explore before because it's closed. Like.
But I think more you explore is just this outside, how pretty it is. Ah, it's like the Opera House in Oslo.
Yeah, very artistic.
All these Nordic countries are having a battle as to who's going to have the best opera house, I guess. Let's go in. The architecture and character of Reykjavik was really cool, and we had a great day exploring the city. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and say hi. Give your opinion in the comments below. We always love to see and respond to comments on our videos. Iceland is a truly unique place, so hit subscribe and stay tuned, because coming up we're heading to the real attraction, the absolutely stunning nature that this country has to offer. See you in the next one.